Today we're going to make some olive bread. We can do this in a few minutes. Ingredients you'll need is 1 tablespoon. First thing, we'll put in 1 tablespoon of yeast. Next thing is going to be 3/4 tablespoon of salt. I'm going to add 2 cups of flour. Flour, as long as it's cooking flour, it's all good. You can use any types of flour, it works. I'm using 1/2 cup of green olive. For the olive, I buy the pre-cuts one. That's easy to do. Once all my dry ingredients are in, I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients together. I'm going to make a small hole in the middle, and I'm going to add 1 cup of warm water. Not hot, just warm water right out of the tap. I'm going to use my hand, I'm going to mix it all together. I'm going to make sure all the flour is mixed with the water. Once that's all done, you can let that sit for at least 3 hours. It's better for 3 hours. And you can let it sit up to a 12 hour. And you can do it the night before so it's ready the next morning and just get it cooked up. Put a lid on it and let it sit. Once it's sat for a certain amount of time, you're going to get a pretty sturdy paste. You need to remove this out of the bowl. I'm going to put some flour on the table, make sure it doesn't stick. I'm also going to put some flour in my hand so I can work with the bread itself. What I'm going to try to do is simple, is I'm going to try to make some foil with my bread to get some air in. I don't want to press too hard on the bread, so remove the air. I'm actually trying to get air in the bread. So I'm going to stretch it out and fold it on itself. Keep on putting flour under your finger, otherwise it's going to be really, really sticky. I'm also using some parchment paper, which is multi-purpose non-stick paper. That I will put at the bottom of my bowl so I don't have to touch the paste with my fingers anymore after this. It's a lot simpler. Put the parchment paper at the bottom and I can put the ball right in it. And then I'm going to need to let that sit again for at least 30 minutes, and you can let it sit for up to a couple of hours after, whenever you're ready to get it cooked. You want some warm bread for supper. But the cooking time, very easy, 425 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. For the last 15 minutes, we remove the lid, and that's it. You're good to go. Have a good one.